It's 2025, and AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a gold mine. Imagine making money from the comfort of your home without investing a single rupee. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let me tell you, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's real, it's powerful, and it's happening right now. By the end of this video, you'll learn 5 actionable ways to leverage AI tools to earn money fast, all without spending a dime. But you've got to act, because in a fast-changing world, the early movers always win. Quick question. If AI can write essays, create art, and even compose music, why isn't it paying your rent yet? First, let's talk about freelancing with AI tools. Platforms like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Jasper AI can transform how you deliver services. For instance, if you're good at writing, ChatGPT can help you create high-quality blogs or product descriptions in minutes. Offer these services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and you're in business. What's the catch? Your creativity and ability to refine AI outputs are your edge. AI isn't perfect. It needs human finesse. Combine your skills with AI speed, and you'll outshine your competition. But freelancing isn't the only way. What if I told you there's a method to earn while you sleep? Stick around. Here's the dream scenario. You create something once, and it keeps earning for you. With AI, that's entirely possible. Tools like Midjourney or DALLE can help you generate unique art, logos, or digital designs. Sell these on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. No design skills? No problem. These tools are intuitive. You can start with basic prompts and improve as you go. Plus, the demand for digital assets is skyrocketing. Businesses and individuals are always on the lookout for fresh content. Think about it. If AI can paint better than Picasso, and you're still broke, isn't it time to rethink? AI isn't just about freelancing or selling products. It's also your secret weapon for content creation. Use tools like Descript to edit videos or Otter.ai to transcribe interviews. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog, and use AI to streamline the process. But here's the kicker. Consistency matters. AI can help you produce content faster, but your voice, perspective, and authenticity are irreplaceable. Build an audience, and soon, brands will pay you for sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or ad revenue. But wait, there's another strategy that doesn't require content creation at all. Let's uncover it next. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, you can use AI to create educational resources. For example, create custom quizzes, study guides, or even ebooks with tools like Quillbot or OpenAI. Then sell them on platforms like Gumroad, or share them through your social channels. Don't have teaching experience? No worries. Use AI to research and structure the material. Your job is to package it in a way that resonates with learners. So what's stopping you? If AI can teach itself chess in hours, you can surely teach others a skill you've mastered over years. Affiliate marketing has been around for ages, but AI is making it smarter. Use AI tools to analyze trending products, craft persuasive emails, or create eye-catching social media posts. Promote these products through your platforms and earn commissions for every sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its scalability. Once you set it up, it can become a passive income stream. And with AI, the setup has never been easier. Now you've got 5 strategies, but what's the real secret to staying ahead in the AI game? Let's wrap it up. Remember, pioneers reap the rewards. The rest, well, they just watch the pioneers on Instagram. You now have the tools to make money with AI without spending a single rupee. But building wealth isn't just about quick wins. If you want to learn how the power of compounding can multiply your earnings and create lasting financial freedom, click on this video right here. It's the strategy that every successful person swears by. See you there. Include a clickable link to the Power of Compounding video, alongside a thank you message and encouragement to subscribe for more content.